Hey guys, and welcome to another Retouch4ME plugin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use that very plugin to make sure that my photo looks very nice and clean, and obviously takes very little amount of time, because you and me both know that photo retouching can be very long. It takes hours after hours, and even after that, it might take, it might be not as good as you might want it to be. So this particular plugin actually helps a lot. So we are going to take a look and do some editing on this image. So I'm going to make a duplicate, as you just saw that I just did, and straight away I'm going to go to filter, then plugin, and you can see that I have very awesome plugins in my arsenal. So I'm going to go to Retouch4ME and then start with a little dodge and burn. Let's see how it works. Now it's going to open up the window for the dodge and burn plugin, which might take a little bit long because I'm actually recording in my laptop at the same time. It's actually 3 softwares running at once, so might take long. As you can see, that window has opened, and then you have the progress bar. So it's automatically going to detect exactly what needs to be done, and then it detected the close-up portrait, but you have the half-length portrait and excuse me, full-length portrait. So we're going to wait for a little bit. Hang on a second. All right, I'm back. Now let's going to try original and after. Original and after. You can see that is very subtle. And if you want to take a look at the impact, you can turn on the blend to make it more strong. And I would like to raise the warmth just a touch. And you can see where the effect has been applied in this very mask layer. And I'm going to go for apply. So it's done. Going to make sure that is hidden, and then let's take a look again. Before and after. Brilliant, isn't it? All right, now you can either create a duplicate and then apply on a separate layer, but I'm going to go straight forward on the same very layer and then go back to Retouch4ME and try heal. I believe I don't necessarily need that heal plugin, but I just want to see exactly what kind of improvement is going to give it to me. So let's wait for a little bit. Again, it's going to go through the progress, and then it might take some time. We seems to be finishing by any moment. Perfect. Now original and after, original and after. But then I have a little bit issue, because if I zoom in a little bit, got a little bit of cough, apologize for the coughing. So that's original and that's after, original and after. It looks quite nice actually, in my opinion. But if you want to make sure that it's not too strong, you can take a look at the sensitivity layer and you can see exactly where it's been applied. Perfect. It looks good for me. I'm going to click apply. Right. Now, what else I can do? I could apply something on the eye now. So I'm going to go to the filter, plugin, Retouch4ME. Probably I'll go to eye vessels. Open for the plugin to open up. Few moment. It can be coming any moment. Right, now the layer is applying automatically on the eye. Let's see what it can do for me. Right. We're going to wait and then see the bar progressed. If you want this software, you can go down to the description below and then download it. You will have a fantastic discount. I believe now they are running 20% discount, which is a very generous discount. And, you know, everything worth it. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we're going to go all the way to the eye. Right. Now, before and after, before and after, before and after. It's brilliant, isn't it? It's just fantastic. See, the eye looks still very natural and without, you know, without it creating too much fake plasticky look. So I'm going to keep it because I'm very happy with the result. Right. And now I'm going to go back to plugin, Retouch4ME, and then I'll brighten. So you're gonna wait for the progress bar to go through. Now, again, I remind you, you can go down to description below and then download it, see for yourself. Now, let's take a look. All right. Now, let's zoom in. Before and after. See, it looks quite bright in my eyes. Very bright, but without making it too weird. I'm probably going to pump it a little bit more, just a touch, not too much, but just touch, and then wait for mask to be applied on. And finally, one thing I would like to do is, because if you zoom in, like, I'm going to show you something. You see the skin looks natural, definitely. However, I would like to make it look nice and polished. So for that, that's the before, that's after. I'm going to go to same set of plugin and then click mattifier. Hang on. Wait for plugin to be applied on 50%. Don't forget to go down in the description below and then download for yourself. Now I'm going to zoom a little bit. Let's see what is the original. That's original, that's after. Original and after. Original and after. Right, it already look quite nice. Probably going to pump just a bit, not too much, and apply. Then we're going to wait for result to be applied on and then beam. So let's take it the final result. I'm going to pull it down a little bit, maybe just a touch, and then before and after. Before and after. You see, I still didn't work on the lips yet. I think I can do that manually, or I will go through my another set of plugin, either from On1 or from the Lumina Neo. But you can see that after all that work, it just look very natural and yet beautiful, and without making it look too plasticky and fake. And that's the beauty of this beautiful set of software plugins. So you can go down in the description below and try it out for yourself. And I hope you like this very software. You know what? Just to finish this tutorial, I'm going to do a final touch and apply a black and white. Let's go back. a little bit. And then probably reduce the red, go up the yellow, blue doesn't work. Probably magenta will brighten up or down also, I don't know. Probably I'll go up a little bit. And voila. Beautiful. I like black and white. I like especially like black and white on portrait. I don't know if I can use it. There you go. I can actually lock it in with the previous one. And then finally, before and after. Before and after. And voila. I hope you like this little quick tutorial. If I look at my recording, I think I didn't waste too much time. It all took 10 minutes to do all that work. So minus my talking and explanation, if you think about it, it takes about 9 minutes to do all this hours of worth of work in 10 minutes. That's fantastic. And I really highly recommend you to try it for yourself. You won't regret it. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.